I am starting again the recording. So I hope it will work that time, and I hope I won't lag. So good afternoon, good evening again. It's 5:16 in the afternoon. Just like what she's been saying a while ago, I'll be giving first a written exam before we continue with our readings tonight. Okay, Mariana is here with us. So I already have 18 participants for our class tonight. I'll start sharing my screen. Were you able to prepare your notebooks or your pencil and paper with you?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Very good. So our written test is 1 until it's only a 6-item test. Okay. My screen is still loading. Let's wait for it.
I don't know. Miss the screens.
Andriani, my phone, please. Yeah, my screen is still loading. So you can see my screen. Okay, let's wait for it. I'll be doing it again because it's not successfully shared. Not yet working. So while my screen is not yet loading, I'll be putting the questions in the chat box. Again, not again. Um, a reminder for everybody, you are not allowed to you are not allowed to send a message in the chat box, okay? Because your answer should be written in your notebook or in your paper. Okay, I also want you to have the question. Okay. So you have in the chat box, can I have Josephine to please read the first question?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Could you please read the first question in the chat box?
Miss, I'm sorry, I can see your question in chat box.
Okay. My message is not yet delivered and how about Nicolas? Can you see teacher's question?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, could you please read it to everybody?
What is the title of the reading text?
Okay, very good. Number 1, what is the title of the reading text? Okay, please give me an answer to question number 1. Yes, Nicolas, you're raising your hand. What is it?
I think Simon the Scarecrow.
Simon the Scarecrow is during the Thursday class, Nicolas.
During the first
we
what?
have another. It's Simon the Scarecrow. We discussed that one during Thursday, during our Thursday class. We have a different reading text in here.
Miss, I can't hear. Your voice is too small.
Okay. Nicolas, we have another reading text in this class. Simon the Scarecrow, the story we discuss every Thursday.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I understand if most of you can't answer because
There's a new story.
no, it's not a new story. We have been on this with this text for months already. I hope Alfonso, Josephine, and the other kids can answer. Alvaro is also here. Very good. Luis is also here. That's good. Is Michelle still here? Michelle? Okay, Michelle is there.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's question number 1. We'll be copying now question number 2. Very easy. Very easy question number 2. Catherine, I hope you can read question number 2. Okay. Okay, if not Catherine, okay, maybe Catherine can't hear me. Rihanna,
Miss,
could you please read?
there's no
Yes.
text on the chat box. There's only number 1.
Oh, but already
There's no
delivered.
question, teacher.
There's no question. Okay, I'll be reading it for question number 2. On what chapter are we now? On what chapter are we now? You write on number 2, what chapter are we now? Okay, next, number 3. Number 3. Enda, how about you? Can you see question number 3?
No, Miss. It's only number 1 and number 2.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
There's the number 3. I see it.
Okay, number 3, you have now give the definition of vicarially. As I can remember, I gave 2 vocabulary words before. So number 3, give the definition of vicariously.
Miss, you are lagging.
Because my connection is not safe. Question number 3 is to give the definition of vicarious. Again. So we are already on question number 3. Josephine, could you please make me as the host again? Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss. So we are already on question number 4. Question number 4. So for question number 4, this is the second vocabulary word that I gave you. What does vigorously means? Vigorously. What does vigorously means? I hope if I share my screen now, it will work. Okay. I am already sharing my screen. Oh, okay.
Okay, finally. Perhaps please take a photo of it, number 1 until number 6, so that if I missed again, if I log out again, you already have number 5 until number 6. Okay, number 5, can I ask Nicolas again to read question number 5? Nicolas.
What is the job of Mr. Joe Gargery?
Yes. So what is the job of Mr. Joe Gargery? So you can just answer directly the job, or you can also answer in complete sentence. Okay, number 6. Oh, I still have number 7 and okay, number 6. I would like to ask Inda to read. Inda,
Yes.
read numbers. Question number 6.
What season or occasion was discussed in chapter 4?
What season or what occasion was discussed in chapter 4? Okay, number 7, Alfonso, can I have you to read question number 7?
Okay, but I cannot see the number 7.
Okay, for a while.
Okay. Why can Mrs. Joe hear and enjoy the carols during Christmas? Yes. Number, thank you. Number 8, Shreya, please read number 8. Shreya, can you see question number 8?
No, miss.
Okay. There's no question number 8 yet. How about Catherine? Can you see number 8 now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please read number 8.
What foods were prepared by the gardens?
Garger, gargeries.
Garderies.
Yes, thank you. So I'll be sharing my screen that way. So you have question number 4, 5, 6, 7, and so you don't need to give me an answer that is very long. Okay, you just give me a short, a very precise one.
Miss,
Yes, Nicolas.
do we instantly say the answer, or do we have to say do we have to draw the question?
Right? Uh, I said a while ago that you need to write the question before you give me the answer.
Oh, okay, miss.
Is it okay?
Yes, okay, miss.
Yes, it's okay. Thank you.
Miss, I'm sorry I'm late, miss.
Nicole, this is you.
Yes, miss.
Okay, it's okay. You're on your way home.
Yes. What are we supposed to do?
Okay. I asked the class to answer 8 questions before we are going to proceed with the reading activity. I'll be, what do you call that one? I'll be presenting my screen with the 8 questions so you can answer starting from number 1. For a while.
Do we have to write it down?
Yes, I'm asking the class to write it down. Is that
Miss, I'm
hard for
sorry,
you?
but yes, I don't bring any paper or pen right now with me.
Okay. Maybe you can just take a photo of it. Then once you arrived home, you can start answering it. Take a photo of it, Nicole.
Okay, miss.
Number 8 is still missing. For a while. So we have here 8 questions.
Okay, miss, done. Miss, can I go to the toilet?
Yes.
Okay, miss, thank you.
Can I give the class 5 more minutes to answer? So if you cannot finish answering, you can do it after class. Then you need to send it to me later. So I will still give you 5 minutes So we can still have 20 minutes to do readings, to continue with our readings. Okay, 5 more minutes. So I hope all the kids are writing. Yes. So what's that one? Any question?
Miss,
Yes. Yes, honey.
may you give me a PDF chapter 4 because I don't have a PDF or chapter 4.
You're asking me to give you a copy of chapter 4. Were you not able to save it, honey, the last time I shared it?
I don't have, Miss.
Oh, you don't have.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. How will I do that? For a while. For a while, honey.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Honey, maybe I'll be sharing a link of chapter 4. Then honey, please tell your mother to check her WhatsApp. I sent a link in the. I sent a link for chapter 4.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Honey, please tell me if it works, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Miss, I think I also don't have chapter 4 with me.
Do you have, can you message me now, Nicole, in the WhatsApp?
Miss,
Yes, yes.
I
I
don't.
also don't.
Oh, so do you want me to share chapter 4 with you? And could you please message me, Nicole?
Okay, Miss.
But I'm supposedly you are already acquainted with it because we have been reading chapter 4 for quite long. Honey, can your mother access the link, honey?
Yes, Miss. I can open the link, Miss. It's loading.
Oh, it's loading. Oh, maybe it will just be open later on.
In the
Miss,
Yes.
can you send me a reading comparison of chapter 4 because I don't have the paper.
I'll be sending it in the
Miss,
WhatsApp
I
group so
don't.
that all of you, yes.
Miss, I don't think I cannot. I don't think I can chat you in WhatsApp because I was not added in the WhatsApp group. Only my mom is in there, and my mom isn't around now.
Okay. So maybe you do it after the class.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. I am sending the link of Google Classroom now. So I hope you can see it. So before I was asking you to download and have a copy of chapter 4 so that we will have it in here so that you can immediately access of it. Go again. Josephine, set me as the host again, Josephine.
What, Miss?
Could you please set me again as the host? Very good, Josephine. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
So I will not be sharing my screen again with the questions that I have shared. So after our
But I'm
class,
not done yet, Miss. I'm still number 6.
but I've asked you to take a photo of it. Were you able to take a photo of it?
No.
Is Alvaro beside you?
No too.
Okay. I'll be sharing my screen. I hope it will work.
Okay, Miss, wait.
Please take a photo. Okay.
Okay, Miss, wait for a while. I'm grabbing the phone.
Yes, yes.
Miss, I can open the link of the in the Google Classroom. It's still loading.
Maybe you can access that one later. For a while. Think I can send you to
Done, Miss. I'm done.
thank you. So I'll be asking all of you to share or to give me the answer after our class. So I'll be waiting for your responses. So this time, let's have the readings first before we end tonight. My screen share is still open. What you can see on the screen now is chapter 4. Okay, that is chapter 4. Honey, after the class, I'll be sending a copy of
Okay, Miss.
So we have already finished reading lines until lines 40. We so you already knew that it is Christmas season, and Mrs. Joe and Mr. Joe Gargery was able to prepare foods for the Christmas. So let's continue first our readings. Let's try to read. Okay. How about lines 55 until okay, how about this one? Honey, could you please read, Honey?
Okay, Miss. Joe and I going to crash turf before must have been a moving space for compassionate minds. Yet what I shivered outside was nothing to what I underwent waiting. The terrors that had assailed me whenever Mrs. Joe had gone near the pantry or out of the room were only to be equaled by the remorse with which my mind dwelt on what my hands had done. Un-
Okay,
under under the weight of my wicked secret, I pondered whether the crunch would be powerful enough to shock me from the beginnage of the terrible young man. If I divulge to that establishment, I can.
Okay, Honey, thank you. Honey,
Yeah. Thank you, Miss.
we followed. Okay, Honey, the teacher, establishment.
Establishment. Establishment. Establishment. Oh, right.
Okay, then again, log out again, and again. Josephine, maybe one last time, set me as the host, please. Josephine. Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss.
I'm very sorry, my connection is very down, very down today. It's not, yesterday I have a very good connection with my ground class. I don't know what happened. Every day I had class with you. Okay. Honey.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, while my screen is still loading, okay, please follow me. Please say establishment.
Establish.
Come again. Establishment.
Establishment.
Yes. Okay, say the word divulge.
Able.
Okay, you have vengeance.
What, Miss?
Vengeance.
Bench.
You can see my screen now, honey.
Yes, Miss. I can see your screen.
Honey, remorse. Remorse.
Remorse.
Okay, that's one honey. Spectacle. Spectacle.
Spectacle.
Okay, you have spectacle. So thank you. So
You're
what so is the idea of the lines read by Honey a while ago? It's that Joe and I are going to church, but although they're going to church, what in mind of it is what happened to him. So you have the word vengeance. So when you say vengeance, it's like you're going to actions or to take actions to someone who hurt. So you're going to hurt him back or hurt her back. So that's the idea of vengeance is. Okay. So Pip could not forget what happened to him while he was out under with the hands of the old and the young man. So as you can recall, I hope you can still recall that Pip was shivering till death. He was very afraid was very scared of what the old man did to him. Can you still recall how the old man held Pip high in his neck using what do you call it one? Using his hand, Pip was held high up, held high. So Pip could not forget those things. Josephine, please continue the reading.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please continue. I conceived.
I confess the idea that the time when the banns were read and when the clergyman said, "Ye are now to declare it," would be the time for me to rise and propose a private conference in the vestry. I am far from being sure that I might not have astonished our small congregation by resorting to this extreme measure, but for its being Christmas Day and no Sunday.
Okay, so what occasion was being mentioned, Josephine? What occasion? It is what the season?
What,
It
Miss?
is what occasion? What celebration was mentioned in the story and in the text? It is
Christmas Day?
yes, it is Christmas Day. So that's why the family went to church. So when the clergyman it is read as clergyman. So when the clergyman said, "Ye are now to declare it," okay. Inside Pip's mind, he said to himself that, "Oh, I need to confess. Okay, I need to confess what I am feeling now because today is Christmas Day and it's so." I hope it's okay with you if we can extend for 10 minutes. I hope it's okay if we will extend for 10 minutes. Tristan, can I have you to read next? 66 to 72, Tristan.
Yes, Miss. What number?
66 until 72.
72. Okay. Mr. Wopsle, the clerk at church, was to dine with us, and Mr. Hubble, the wheelwright, and Mr. Hubble, and Mrs. Hubble, and Uncle Pam to look. Joe's uncle, but Mrs. Joe appointed him, who was a well-to-do conch chandler in the nearest town, and drove his own taste cart. The dinner hour was 1:30. When Joe and I got home, we found the table laid and Mrs. Joe dressed, and the dinner dressing, and the front door unlocked. It never was at any other time for the company to enter by, and everything was splendid, and still not a word of the robbery.
Okay, thank you, Tristan, for reading it well and reading it loud. Okay, I just want you to take note of how we are going to read these words. Tristan, please say appropriated. Appropriated.
Appropriated,
Okay, that's good. That's one. Unlock. Unlock.
unlocked,
How do you read this, Tristan? Is it dressed?
dressed,
Very good. Again, again, Tristan. You're right. Dressed.
dressed,
Good. Thank you, Tristan. Okay. So, I want you to take note of the new persons or the new names in your notebooks, please. Okay, in your notebooks, please write Mr. Wapsol. Mr. Wapsol. So who is Mr. Wapsol? He is the clerk at the church. Okay, Mr. Wapsol is the clerk at the church. You also have Mr. Hubble, the wheelwright. So you have Mr. Hubble, you also have Mrs. Hubble. Also have Uncle Bumble. So this Uncle Bumblechook is Joe's uncle. What are they going to do? Why are they present? Why are they present? Because they are going to share dinner with the Georgeries. So they are going to eat dinner at their place. Okay? Why are they going to eat dinner at the place? Because it's Christmas Day. So they're going to eat together. Okay? Can I ask Inda, who are with Mr. and Mrs. Joe Georgery during the dinner? Who are with them?
Uncle Popcook,
Who else? Is it only Uncle Pumblechook? Who are the
and
other?
Mr. Hubble and Mrs. Hubble,
Yes, one last, Inda, it is and
Mrs.
you also
Joy.
okay, you have Mr. So take note of those. Thank you, Inda.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, I want you to take note of the names mentioned in the story. Oh, okay, this one. Is this the Can I have now Alfonso?
Yes, miss.
Are you hungry already?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I will have you. Can I have you first before we end, Alfonso? I'll just have
Okay.
you to read 73 to 82. Okay? Everybody listen to Alfonso, 73 to 82. Go, Alfonso.
The time came, without bringing with it any relief to my feelings, and the company came. Mr. Wopsle, united to a Roman nose and a large shining bald forehead, had a deep voice which was uncommonly proud of. Indeed, it was understood among his uh, acquaintance hence that if you could only give him his head, he would read the clergyman into fits. He himself confessed that if the church was thrown open, meaning to competition, he would not despair of making his mark in it. The church not being thrown open, he was, as I have said, our clerk, but he punished the enemies tremendously. And when he gave out the psalm, always giving the whole verse, he looked all around the congregation first, as much as to say, "You have here my friend overhead. Oblige me with your opinion of the style."
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
You're
you,
welcome, miss.
Alfonso, for reading it. Okay. So what's the meat or what's the idea of those lines read by Alfonso? So it is that what was mentioned is how the clergyman in the church delivers the words during the masses. So you have that line, you have heard my friend overhead, oblige me with your opinion of the style. So that is his style during masses or during mass at church. Okay, so what's just the point is he would not despair of making his mark. So the church not being thrown open, so as it was. So although he is the clerk or person who you can find in the church. So I opened the door to the company, making believe that it was a habit of ours to open that door. I opened it first to Mr. Opso, next to Mr. and Miss Hubble, and last of all to Uncle Pumblechook. I was not allowed to call him uncle under the severest penalty. My God. Wait for a while. Okay, so I guess we'll be ending our class with those lines. So we are already, where was it? So we will be ending now our class. So we end on line 86. Okay, line 86. So Pete wasn't allowed to call him uncle under severance penalty. So we'll be finding out why he called Uncle Pumblechook as his uncle. Okay, so I'll stop sharing my screen now. So it's already 6:07 in the evening. I'm very sorry that we overdue our time today because of my connection. I'll be asking you to please send your works on my WhatsApp number. Everybody, okay, please send your works in my WhatsApp number. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
So,
Bye-bye.
okay, so teacher will be waiting for your responses. So thank you. Thank you, everybody. I'm very sorry for my connection today. Thank you. See you next time.
Okay, Miss. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Enjoy the rest of the night.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
miss.
Oh, Putra and Putri. Hello.
Okay,
Rasa,
Miss.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Andriani, thank you.
Bye, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye. Andriani, thank you. Shitya, thank you. Satan, Shitya.